Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today the first unboxing of August and we're unboxing the Boxycharm. For those of you who are just happening on my channel, I do a lot of different videos from baking to unboxing to mom life to DIY projects. So please, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. While I open the box, I'll explain more. It's $21 a month if you pay month by month, otherwise it's less. And it's 5 products that can be makeup, skincare, that's my daughter cry, I don't know if you can hear her, hairstyle, hair care, etc. So let's start right away. We have Alamis and Skin Bar, $10 at Ulta. I actually just got this mask in another box, so that's good. So Boxycharm this month theme is Naturel, I think it's in French. And the first product that we have is this Luxie. It's a 3-piece brush set and the retail value is $30. And there are 3 brushes, as you can see here. The color is so cute, it looks very natural, it looks woody. And there's this like pink rose, and they're very soft. So it's a large eye blending, and the other one a precision craze, and one is foundation. Next product here, it's another Alamis product. So it's the second one I get, not from this box but from another one. And this one, it's a superfood vital veggie mask. I love masks, and this is a pretty good size. I mean, it's closed, I don't want to open it until I use it. It's a British brand, and there are 75 ml, which is 2.5 inches, which is great. I mean, it's perfect because it's a big size, but you can still travel with it. I'm very looking forward to try this out. Here we have, let me see, the brand, it's Appeal, and it's a gel liner. Let's try to open it. So it's a line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal gel liner. So it's both eyes and lip pencil. It's a greenish color. The color actually is forest green, so it's a green. So I'm not really into putting green on my lips, but for the eyes it's very cute, especially if you're a little tanned. Another product here is this Alamar Cosmetics. It's a Denude lip gloss, and the color here is Coquetta, I guess is how you pronounce it, Coquetta. And it's a vegan, talc-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free lip gloss. The color is actually very nice. It's this brownish shade. Last but not least, my 5th product in this box is this Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, which looks amazing. As you can see here, is cruelty-free. And let's see inside. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it because it's not too big and it has very natural colors. I love this blue because I love blue, obviously you can see it here. And there is the colors are Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale, which I really love. And the mirror, it's so cute. So that was it for my Boxycharm. As you can see, it's empty, and those are the 5 products I got. And please, if you received the Boxycharm of this month too, leave me in the comments whatever you received. And again, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!